I'm going to clean my room today. It has been a problem for me for a while, and I really need to go through my closet. I don't want to start this project because I know it'll be a nightmare, but this is a good weekend for it, and it would make me feel a lot better. So, I mean, it's okay. I made the bed. Job in 4 hours. I've been like going through my drawers. I did clear off some of the stuff. Yeah, it's kind of a slow process. Okay, I had to start with a small project first, so I worked on the bathing suits. So I have my rash guards, one pieces. These are black one pieces, but I have all the white one pieces being washed right now because they have like self tanner on them. So I'll get them cleaned and put away. And then these are bikinis. Now I do have like my Amazon bikinis and some Amazon cover-ups. I separated those out so that I can put those down with other Amazon stuff. And yeah, I'm still working on it. There's just really never enough sugar-free Red Bull in the world to make this happen. So played with different things, but I'm going to keep my swimsuits down here. I'm going to go get labels for them so that they can read to me what they are and to other people who put my stuff away. But also I have those stoppers downstairs, so I'm going to go get those to like secure them in place. And then I think I'll tackle the pajamas because that's a little bit easier. So I use these things so that the containers don't slide. I think I bought this like a year ago. It's a label maker that you can control from your phone. Anyway, so I just set that up and used that. So I did my rash guards, colored one pieces, black one pieces, and the bikini. So it's all clean there. So I got them organized by silks, uniques, knits, and then this is like cotton woven. Oh, and I pulled my holiday like Christmas pajamas out of it, and I'll just keep those separate. Got the pajamas in here. Unfortunately, those clear bins that I had, 3 won't fit side by side. So I kind of had to do a different plan, but I might try to find a different acrylic that can run this way or fit that with 2 of them or something. Okay, I did pull stuff out of here, so I'm going to go through that.
I was outside like thinking he's going to say this as soon as he comes in here.
No, literally, I can't sit anywhere. Like, and I can't find anything.
This has taken me like 16 hours of focus. I'm not even kidding. I think I have ADHD for like adults. Like, I never had this as a child.
Another day cleaning my room, and I'm going to wrap this up today. I don't know how exactly, but I'm going to figure this out, and I'm going to start with lingerie, underwear stuff right now. I did clean up my nightstand, and I like reorganized things. And then in here, I have it like nicely organized too with like everything that I use. Oh, there's my new sleep sack for scanning and cords and journaling. I got my top drawer completely organized and old stuff thrown out, and I went through everything, and then I played with my fun little label maker, and now all the bins are labeled correctly. All right, drawer 3. I know it's been a while since I did a check-in on what's going on, but it was because I was so embarrassed, but I'll show you. Okay, so in the closet, I already showed you the top 2 drawers, and then I did this drawer, so it's like tops, like t-shirts and long sleeves and kind of like knits. And then here's all the sweaters. And then I should never be allowed to buy outerwear. Yes, this is edited down. It's crazy. I still have like more long hanging over there. And then I took care of reorganizing jeans. So I have jeans down here. I used to have it up, which was dumb because I wear jeans mostly. So I put pants up there, even though I do wear them. And then I have like a hook that helps me get there because obviously that's really hard for me. So that's all organized. And then I moved my skirts over here, went through all my like button downs and my dresses. So now that's all organized. Oh, this is what I have to do next. Okay, I am done. So this is all the stuff I'm giving away. So I'm going to bag it up, and then I'll have it all cleaned in a second. So it's funny how doing something like this can make me feel so accomplished. But I do. Like, I feel very happy, and it's all done now, and I have all the labels on, which is really helpful because one of the reasons this gets so out of hand is because I'm not the only person who puts clothing away here. And so I think hopefully by now having like labels for like what everything is and where it goes, like, I don't know. It's the best I can do right now, though. But I feel very, very happy with how everything worked out. And yes, it took me 3 days, but it was a lot of work. This Labor Day weekend, I focused on fall cleaning. My room really needed it, especially my closet. I have so many clothes, and it was so therapeutic for me to go through it all. I went through my nightstand as well. I got it all organized. I had to pull out everything, which is why it took me 3 days, but it was totally worth it. I got all of my gym clothes organized, as well as sweats and outdoor clothing and tennis stuff. Then I went through my drawers and got underwear, pajamas, t-shirts, long shirts, and sweaters all organized and cleaned out, along with accessories. I also organized all of my swimsuits. I got my cover-ups, sweaters, accessories all done, and jeans organized. Now let's see if we can keep it organized.